Hi, I'm Marie, and in this video I'm showing you how I build up the layers of these anemone petals to create intense contrast and depth on my flower. I start off with a very pale wash all over, and then while my surface is still wet, I start adding in the darker layers of colour, blending them outwards into the lighter areas of the petal. It can take quite a few layers to build up the very darkest areas, and I'm continually cleaning off my brush and using it just damp to blend the thicker pigment out into the lighter areas, therefore creating a smooth transition between the lightest and the darkest tones on each petal. Once my initial layers have dried, I then come in again with an even thicker and therefore darker mix of my pigment to really deepen up the areas at the base of each petal where a shadow is formed from the overlapping petals in front of it. I also pull my wet paint out to create a slightly textured pattern on the surface of my petal, and also add in any darker and thicker veins that I can see on each one, as this really adds interest to the overall look of your flower, rather than all of the petals being just smooth and flat. And then once this layer has dried, I can come back once again, still using my thicker consistency of paint, and add another layer to all of the areas that can benefit from increasing the contrast. And creating this depth will really add drama to your painting. I find it important to work quite quickly with these washes so that the edges of the paint don't have time to dry into the surface of the paper before I've had time to come in with my damp brush and blend the edges out into the petal, creating that lovely smooth transition on it. And then I just continue to build up the variations in tone, increasing the contrast between the lighter and darker areas on each petal until I'm satisfied with the way my painting is looking. I have a full-length step-by-step tutorial of this beautiful pink anemone flower inside the Watercolour Members Club. If you'd like to sign up or just take a look around, you can click the link below and see all of the watercolour tutorials that are on offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming tips and techniques and tutorial previews as well. I'll see you for the next video, so goodbye for now.